Welcome to the world of stylish wood crafts, where creativity meets functionality in the realm of home decor. In today's fast-paced market, consumers are increasingly seeking unique, handcrafted items that not only enhance the aesthetic appeal of their living spaces but also reflect their personal style. This guide presents a diverse array of woodcraft project ideas that cater to the growing demand for distinctive home accents while also offering high profit potential for artisans and entrepreneurs alike. From elegant wooden wall art and customized picture frames to rustic shelves and functional furniture pieces, these projects not only showcase the beauty of natural wood but also tap into trends like sustainability and personalization. As we explore these innovative ideas, you'll discover how to turn your passion for woodworking into a profitable venture, appealing to a wide range of customers eager to invest in beautiful, handcrafted decor that elevates their homes. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or just starting, this journey into stylish wood crafts promises to inspire your creativity and open new avenues for success in the thriving world of home decor. If you've made it this far in the video, we're thrilled to hear that you're enjoying our content. To show your support, please consider subscribing to our channel if you're new here. It really helps us continue bringing you more of the stylish wood crafts project ideas you love. And if you're already part of our community, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family. Your engagement means the world to us. We encourage you to stick around until the very end, as we've got some fantastic tips and surprises lined up that you won't want to miss. Thank you for being with us, and let's keep the creativity flowing. Wine racks. Stylish wooden wine racks are not just functional storage solutions. They are also an elegant addition to any home decor, appealing to wine enthusiasts and casual drinkers alike. With the growing popularity of home entertaining, many consumers are seeking ways to showcase their wine collections in a manner that reflects their personal style. By offering a range of designs from sleek, modern lines to charming, rustic finishes, you can cater to diverse consumer tastes and preferences. This versatility makes wooden wine racks an attractive product for various home aesthetics, whether in a contemporary urban apartment or a cozy country cottage. In addition to their aesthetic appeal, wooden wine racks can be marketed as premium home decor items that elevate the overall ambience of a room. Highlighting the craftsmanship and the natural beauty of the wood is essential. Features like unique grain patterns and high-quality finishes enhance their visual appeal. By positioning these racks as both functional and decorative, you tap into the growing trend of personalized home decor, where consumers seek items that not only serve a purpose, but also tell a story and add character to their living spaces. This focus on quality and design can significantly enhance the perceived value of your wine racks in the eyes of potential buyers. Furthermore, promoting wooden wine racks as thoughtful gifts for wine lovers can expand your market reach considerably. Many people appreciate unique, handcrafted items that they can share with friends and family during gatherings or celebrations. By emphasizing the quality and artisanal nature of your wine racks, you can attract customers who are willing to invest in premium products that enhance their lifestyle. Marketing these racks as ideal gifts for special occasions, such as weddings, housewarming parties, or anniversaries, opens up additional sales avenues and positions your products in a way that resonates with consumers looking for meaningful, high-quality gifts. Wooden wall art. Wooden wall art can enhance any room's aesthetic. You can create geometric shapes, abstract designs, or nature-inspired themes. These pieces are popular for their unique textures and warmth. Selling them through online platforms or local art fairs can attract buyers looking for distinctive home accents. Rustic shelves. Floating shelves made from reclaimed wood add character and functionality to any space. They appeal to consumers seeking rustic charm and practical storage solutions. Highlighting their eco-friendly aspect can further enhance their marketability, particularly among sustainability-conscious buyers. Customized picture frames. Customized wooden picture frames cater to a wide audience, allowing customers to personalize their decor. Offering various finishes and sizes can attract gift buyers, especially during holidays. Market them as perfect gifts for weddings, anniversaries, and other special occasions. Wooden planters. With the rise in indoor gardening, wooden planters are increasingly in demand. Crafting stylish designs that accommodate different plant types can appeal to plant enthusiasts. These products can be marketed through gardening stores and online platforms, emphasizing their aesthetic and functional appeal. Candle holders. Wooden candle holders can create a cozy atmosphere in any home. Experimenting with different sizes and styles, such as modern minimalism or rustic charm, can cater to diverse customer preferences. Promote them as perfect additions for gatherings or romantic dinners, enhancing their marketability. Serving trays. Elegant wooden serving trays can attract home entertainers and gift shoppers alike. Unique designs, such as engraved or painted options, can enhance their appeal. Market them as ideal for hosting or as thoughtful gifts, particularly during the holiday season. Coasters. Handcrafted wooden coasters are functional and stylish. Unique patterns and finishes can set your products apart in the market. Selling them in sets can increase their attractiveness as gifts, making them ideal for home decor enthusiasts. Wooden crates. Decorative wooden crates serve multiple purposes, from storage to display. Their rustic appearance fits well with farmhouse decor trends, appealing to customers who appreciate country styles. Market them as versatile storage solutions that also enhance home aesthetics. Jewelry organizers. Stylish wooden jewelry organizers can attract consumers seeking both function and elegance. Incorporating hooks and compartments can cater to various customer needs. Highlighting their aesthetic appeal can make them popular gifts for fashion-conscious individuals. Key holders. Wooden key holders can provide both organization and decoration. Unique designs that incorporate shelves or hooks can appeal to buyers looking for functional entryway solutions. Promote them as stylish ways to keep homes organized and clutter-free. Furniture pieces. Crafting small furniture items like stools or side tables can tap into the growing market for unique home furnishings. Focus on distinctive designs and sustainable materials to attract eco-conscious consumers. Promote these items through local furniture stores or online marketplaces. Wooden signs. Custom wooden signs for home decor can be highly sought after. Offering personalization options for family names or motivational quotes can attract a wide range of customers. Market them effectively during the holiday season, when personalized gifts are in high demand. Bookends. Unique wooden bookends can appeal to bibliophiles wanting to enhance their bookshelves. Creative designs and finishes can set your products apart in the market. Promote them as both functional and decorative items for home or office spaces. Cutting boards. High-quality wooden cutting boards are always in demand. Consider offering personalization options like engravings to increase their marketability. Promote them as both practical kitchen tools and stylish decor items that can elevate any kitchen's aesthetic. Pet accessories. Stylish wooden pet beds or feeding stations can appeal to pet owners who want to combine functionality with decor. Market these products as premium, sustainable options that enhance the living spaces of pet lovers. Wooden toy boxes. Creating attractive wooden toy boxes can cater to parents looking for stylish storage solutions in children's rooms. Highlighting their dual purpose as both storage and decor can enhance their appeal. Market them as heirloom quality items that can last for generations. Wall hooks. Designing decorative wooden wall hooks can attract customers seeking unique storage solutions. These can be marketed for various uses, from entryways to children's rooms, enhancing both functionality and style. Garden decor. Wooden garden signs or decorative stakes can appeal to gardening enthusiasts. Unique designs, such as personalized name signs or whimsical decorations, can make these items popular in garden centers and online marketplaces. Decorative bowls. Handcrafted wooden bowls can serve as functional centerpieces or decorative accents. Their versatility allows them to be marketed for various uses, from fruit bowls to decorative displays, appealing to a wide audience. The home decor market landscape. The home decor market has seen significant growth in recent years, driven by a surge in consumer interest in personalization and unique design. With more people investing in their living spaces, there's a rising demand for handcrafted items that offer both functionality and aesthetic appeal. This trend presents a lucrative opportunity for woodcraft artisans to tap into a market that values originality and craftsmanship. Starting a business focused on wooden projects presents a unique opportunity to tap into the growing demand for sustainable and handcrafted home decor items. By creating a range of products such as furniture, decorative pieces, and functional items like wine racks or kitchenware, you can cater to various consumer tastes while emphasizing the quality and craftsmanship of your work. The market for artisanal wooden products is expanding, driven by consumers seeking eco-friendly alternatives and unique designs that add character to their homes. By leveraging social media and online marketplaces, you can effectively reach a broader audience, showcasing your creations and telling the story behind each piece. This personal touch not only enhances customer engagement, but also fosters brand loyalty, positioning your wooden project business as a go-to source for high-quality, stylish home decor. Sustainability trends. In today's market, sustainability is more than just a buzzword. It's a crucial consideration for consumers. Many buyers prioritize eco-friendly products, particularly those made from reclaimed or sustainably sourced wood. Artisans who highlight their commitment to environmentally responsible practices can differentiate themselves in a crowded marketplace, attracting customers who are willing to pay a premium for sustainable goods. Customization as a selling point. This approach not only fosters customer loyalty, but also allows artisans to command higher prices for their products. E-commerce opportunities. The rise of e-commerce has transformed how artisans reach their customers. Online platforms like Etsy, Amazon Handmade, and social media marketplaces provide artisans with the tools to showcase their woodcrafts to a global audience. Investing in a well-designed online storefront can increase visibility and sales, tapping into a market that is increasingly comfortable shopping online for home decor. To prepare this video, we invested a significant amount of time and effort, meticulously planning each aspect to ensure that the content resonates with you and inspires your creativity in the world of stylish wood crafts. We'd greatly appreciate your support in this endeavor. If you found value in what you've seen, please consider subscribing to our channel. Your subscription not only keeps you updated on our latest projects, but also motivates us to produce even more engaging content. Additionally, giving us a like would really help us gauge what you enjoy and encourage us to continue creating great videos tailored to your interests. Your feedback and engagement make a world of difference in our efforts to build a thriving community around woodworking and home decor. Thank you for taking the time to watch our video, and we genuinely hope you found it inspiring and informative. We can't wait to share more exciting projects with you soon.